We got a little trick we're going to show you here that we do at the shop. Here's the seatbelt bolts, and they're made so that this can rotate, so that when you tighten it down, it doesn't like jam it down completely tight. Well, this is the purchase version that you can buy. These are the ones that we make in-house. The way we do it, we start off with a bolt. We can do any length we want, and take some red Loctite. So you take a washer and slide it on here and put a drop of red Loctite, and then tighten this nut down. When you get done, you got this. So then we chuck this up in the lathe and we machine this down, and that's what you end up with. So the stages are like this. We start with this, bolt it down, machine it down, we got this, and this is what we end up with. So yeah, you can buy these, but if you're in the middle of a job like this one here, a seatbelt install, I only had one of these, and really I'm going to need 3 more. So to me it was just easier just to machine it. So anyway, a little trick for you there. That's the longer one for the back part of the seat. Okay, and now here's the end result. That way when you slide the seat forward or backwards, it can move freely, just like that.